Hey, what is up, guys? Welcome back to TheFonoGuy. So I make lots of videos about the upcoming Nokia smartphone and the Nokia 9.3 PureView 5G. Now another report that reports tell us that the phone delayed until the next year. This is sad news for the Nokia fans. The successor to the Nokia 9 PureView from last year, namely the Nokia 9.3 PureView, has definitely been a very long time in the making, and now a new rumor claim its launch has been delayed yet again. We have expected to finally be made official any day now, but apparently the wait just got longer. If you're interested in the next Nokia flagship device, then you will have to wait until sometime in the first half of 2021. Unfortunately, we don't have a more specific timeline for its release at this point, not even an exact month of unveiling. As you can see, this is the Nokia A and new tweet about the Nokia upcoming smartphone. This he says some bad news. The Nokia 9.3 PureView won't be unveiled this year. The announcement was postponed of the first half of the 2021. The month is still unknown. So as you can see, he also showing some of render black and white images, and still let's look at the bright side. Hopefully this means the Nokia 9.3 will launch with the upcoming Snapdragon 875 chipset like all of its competitor. The new chip is expected to be detailed at the beginning of December, and we've already heard rumors about other flagship launching with it on board starting in mid-January. We have a wintering a guess to say that perhaps this has impacted HMD global plans. Launching the 9.3 Nokia this month or in December with a Snapdragon 865 at the helium would have made the phone seems dated within a month or two of its release, with all the new competitor coming out with the 875. But this is all speculation on our parts. It has hired to know exactly what is going on behind closed doors. We hope this device will at least be worth the wait, which is going to be around 2 years since its predecessor come out in the Nokia lineup. So this is the latest report about the upcoming Nokia 9.3 PureView, and this is really a sad news for the Nokia fans. Let me know in the comment section, are you sad with this news and are you like the Nokia smartphone? So let me know in the comment section, and also like this video and subscribe my channel for more tech videos. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.